Hello students, welcome to this online classroom. Today we are learning chapter number 4 of standard 6th subject computer. Chapter number 4 is an introduction to Excel 2007. Students, in this chapter we are learning understanding the basic concepts of Excel, advantages of Excel, how to start Excel, what is the use of office button, what is the use of quick access toolbar, a ribbon, insert tab, galleries, preview, what is workbook, what is worksheet, what are the rows and columns, what are the cells, what is the cell address, what is the use of formula bar, how to type data into Excel, how to save workbook, how to close workbook, and how to quit from the Excel. So these all concepts we are learning today. First is understanding Excel. Excel is a part of Microsoft Office package. It is a spreadsheet program which allows you to enter data to perform calculations using formulas and functions and to plot charts. Students, Excel. Excel is nothing but the spreadsheet. In Excel, we can enter the number of data which may be in the form of textual matter and numbers. Mostly we are using Excel for entering the numbers. Okay. For example, some of the calculations you could make are: first, daily wages; second, runs scored by players; third, the amount of pocket money spent or saved by you; third, the marks scored by you in a test; and some other documents like mark sheet, okay, salary sheet, grocery bill, etc., etc. These all type of sheets we can prepare in this Excel software. Okay, next one is advantages of Excel. There are several advantages in using Excel. First, entering data is fast. We can enter the data fastly. Second, making a change is simple. If you want to make some changes, you can make that changes very simply. Third, formulas automatically recalculate the result when the data value changes. Calculations are easy and accurate. Students, when we are recalculating some results, okay, at that time if we are changing some values in the sheet, automatically Excel will recalculate the result and its accuracy is 100%. Fourth, large amounts of data can be handled easily. In Excel, we can handle large type of data. And last, data can be presented graphically through various chart. If you want to present your data in the form of graphics, okay, graphics means charts, table. So Excel is very useful for that all the things. Okay. Next one is how to start Excel. There are some steps to start the Excel. Okay. Click on the start button, then click on all programs, then click on Microsoft Office, and then last click on Microsoft Excel 2007. As you can see on the screen, there are some steps. First, you have to click on start button, then you have to click on programs, then after click on Microsoft Office, and then finally you have to choose the Microsoft Office Excel 2007. The Excel screen appears. We are now ready to get started with Excel. Once the Excel is started, we are ready to do our work. Next one, this is the Excel screen. Okay, as you can see on the screen, there are some names like quick access toolbar, title bar, ribbon, vertical scroll bar, horizontal scroll bar, status bar, address bar, the office button, active cell, columns, formula bar, rows, worksheet tabs, etc. So these different options and facilities we can use at the time of using Excel. Okay, so these all options we will learn one by one. First one is office button. The office button is the round icon at the top left hand corner. It includes the basic file functions such as new, open, save and print. Office button means what? If you want to open new worksheet, if you want to open saved worksheet, if you want to save the worksheet, or if you want to take a printout of your worksheets, so for this purpose we are using office button. Next one is the quick access toolbar. It is placed on the left hand side of the title bar. It consists of frequently used commands and tools such as save, undo, redo and chart quick styles. See, quick access toolbar means what? Where we can do our activity quickly. For example, if you want to save document or workcell, okay, then you can simply click on save button from the quick access toolbar. You can also perform the activities like undo, redo, etc. Next one is the ribbon. The ribbon has several tabs. For example, home tab, insert tab, page layout tab, that are organized in the order in which they will be used during Excel sheet creation. Each of these tabs are further divided into groups. For example, home tab is divided into 7 groups, namely clipboard, font, alignment, number, styles, sales and editing. Each of the group contain different features designed to perform specific tasks. Students, ribbon means what? Ribbon is a one kind of area or plate where several tabs are presented. Okay, the tabs are home tab, insert tab, page layout tab. So these all tabs we are using at the time of using the Excel, and these all tabs are organized very properly and orderly. Okay, then whatever the tabs we are looking on the ribbon, that tab has some further divided groups. For example, if we think about the home tab, then home tab is divided in 7 groups. For example, we can see on a home tab clipboard, font, alignment, number, styles, sales and editing, etc. Okay, clipboard, font, alignment, number, styles, sales and editing, these all options we can use at the time of using the Excel. Okay, it is as per our requirement. Next one is the insert tab. The insert tab is divided into 5 groups, namely tables, illustrations, charts, links and text. The insert tab is used to insert tables, pictures, chart, text, clip, shapes in the Excel sheet. Students, as we know, insert means what? To put into. Okay, insert. So whenever we want to insert tables, pictures, chart, text, clip arts or shapes, at that time we are using insert tab. Next one is galleries. Galleries makes it easier for making formatting changes to the Excel sheet. For example, inserting chart provides a wide choice of charts of select from. In Excel, there are different galleries for chart, shapes, word art, color, font and effects. Students, as we already know that whenever we are using our Android mobile phone, in Android mobile phone we can see the photo gallery. Okay, photo gallery means what? We can see the all photographs that are in our mobile phone in galleries. Similarly, in the application the gallery is same. For example, we can see the gallery of chart, shapes, word art, color, font, effect. Whatever the gallery you are choosing, you can use that particular options. For example, if I am clicking on color galleries, then I can choose the different color from the color galleries. If I click on font gallery, then I can choose the different fonts from the font gallery. Okay, next one is preview. Live preview allows you to preview what a given gallery command will do to your Excel sheet without actual changing it. See, preview means what? Whatever we have done with the Excel, the preview option is shows the one type of preview. Okay, workbook. An Excel document is called a workbook. A workbook has multiple pages called sheets that are called worksheets. See, workbook means what? Workbook is the entire document in the Excel, and sheet means what? Whatever the pages in the entire document which is called as a workbook, that pages are called as a worksheet. Very simple example I am giving. Suppose right now you have your computer workbook with you. Okay, the whole workbook is nothing but a workbook, and whatever the pages are present in your workbook, that all pages in the form of Excel are called as worksheets. Okay, next one is worksheet. A worksheet represents the working area on the screen. It is the area where the data is entered and the calculations are performed. It is divided into rows and columns. See, worksheet means what? Where we can perform our activity. Whatever we want to do, we can do in a worksheet. If we think about the worksheet, then we must think about the rows and columns. Okay, the rows and columns. Now, what is rows and columns? See, a worksheet of Excel 2007 is a huge worksheet, and it is made up of millions of rows and thousands of columns. The rows are numbered from top to bottom. They are numbered 1, 2, 3 up to 10,48,576. These are called row headers. The columns are labeled from left to right and are named A, B up to the XFD. These are called column headers. The last column of the worksheet is XFD, the 16,000th column. Okay, students, if we calculate the total rows, then total rows are 10,48,576. And if we are calculating the columns of Excel worksheet, then the columns, total columns are 16,000. Okay, so these are the rows and columns. Next one is cell. The insert, the interaction of crossing of a column and a row is called a cell. For example, the cell B3 is the intersection of column B and row 3. Students, what is cell? Cell means what? The intersection or crossing point. Now, what is intersection or crossing point? As you can see on the screen at the right top corner, there is a one figure. On that figure, you can see there is a one small square that is present in a B column and third row. It means what? It is a B3. Okay. For example, the each and every square that you are looking on the Excel worksheet are called as cells. Okay, and the next point is cell address. The cell address corresponds to the column name and the row name. Each cell has a unique address. For example, B3, B10, K14. Very simple. If you see on the screen, first figure on the right corner, there is a small square. Okay, the square is in B column and third number row. It means what? What its cell address? It's a B3. Whenever if you want to tell the address of the cell, you have to tell first the column name and the row number. Another example, as you can see at the left bottom corner, there is again one small square which is present in the A column and one number row. Then what is the cell address of this cell? Very simple, very good, A1. Okay, next one is formula bar. The formula bar is located above the work area of the spreadsheet. The formula bar display the data or formula stored in the active cell. The formula bar can be used to enter or edit a formula, a function or data in a cell. Formula bar means what? Whenever if you want to perform any formulas or any functions in the Excel, at that time you can use the formula bar. In formula bar, you can type the formula of relevant function. For example, if you want to make summation, you have to type the summation formula. If you want to do calculations of summation, subtraction, multiplication, division, whatever it may be, so that all formula can be written in formula bar. Okay, whenever we are writing any formula, our formula should start with is equal to sign. Okay, next one is types of data. In Excel worksheet, we can enter three types of data. First, numbers, second, text, and third, formulas. In Excel, we can type the numbers, text, and formulas. Okay, basically, the Excel worksheet is useful for performing the actions on the numbers with the formulas. Next one is entering data into a Excel worksheet. Data can be entered in a worksheet by simply selecting a cell and then typing in it. A cell can contain the data related to numbers, text, or formulas. Whatever you type will appear in the cell and the formula bar. For example, type 200 in cell A1, the formula bar also shows 200. See, whenever we want to enter the text in the worksheet, wherever you are clicking in the worksheet, it will allow to type. For example, here on the screen, I have clicked on A1 cell. Okay, as soon as you are typing something, for example, here we have typed 200. Okay, simply the formula bar will also show the 200s. Means what? Whatever you are typing in the cell, formula bar will show the same. Clear? Next one is saving a workbook. Now it's time to save our workbook. After the required data is entered in the worksheet, it should be saved so that you can open it later to save a file. Students, why we are saving the file? Because if we need in the future, at that time we can simply open it. Okay, for that purpose we are saving the worksheets and workbook. If you want to save the file, you have to follow some steps. First, click on the office button. Second, select Save As or click on the Save button. Third, a dialog box appear as shown at the left side. Okay. Fourth, select the drive in which you want to save it. Then type the name of your file and simply click on Save button. Or fifth, select the folder from the drive, for example, My Documents. Sixth, type in the file name, for example, CBM. Now see, what file name you have to give, it completely depends on you. Okay, whatever the name you want to give, just type the name. 7, click on the save button in the dialog box. And 8, the file will be saved with that name. So students, very simply we can save the file in Excel. Next one is closing workbook. After you finished and saved your work, you should be close the workbook. To close a workbook, now see, whenever you want to close your workbook, at that time, very simple, you have to follow the one steps only. First, click on the office button and then select the close options. Or you can do the another way. For example, in the upper right corner of the Excel window, click on the close button. You can also close the workbook from the upper top right corner. Okay. And quitting Excel means what? To come out from the Excel. How to quit? First, close all open workbooks after saving them. See, whatever the worksheets or workbook you have saved, you have to close first. Second, click on the office button. And third, select the exit option or click on the close button on the title bar. You can also click on the close button which is present on the title bar. Okay. So students, in this chapter we have learned these all concepts. Hope that you have understood these all concepts properly. If not, I am requesting you again, please watch this video again and understand all the concepts of Excel 2007. Thank you so much.